Steel screams. Sparks fly. And nothing escapes the jaws of these monstrous shredders. This isn't just metal recycling, this is demolition on a whole new level. Get ready to witness the brutal beauty of destruction. The Pezzolato PTH 1400/820 all-road, powered by a 550 horsepower Scania engine, delivers powerful yet remarkably smooth wood processing. This drum chipper handles massive logs with ease, turning even the toughest timber into clean, consistent chips. Perfect for high-demand forestry operations. Just when you think machines can't get any tougher, the Erdwich RM 1350/2 steps in. With twin shafts and up to 264 kilowatts of power, it devours cast aluminum, electronics, even car shells. Its 1350mm cutting chamber is built for serious business. This is the go-to beast for scrapyards needing strength and safety in one sharp package. Blink and you'll miss it, because the RJS VZ950DK doesn't play around. With 768 horsepower under the hood and twin shafts, it tears through engine blocks like cardboard. No hesitation, no mercy. This isn't just metal recycling, it's domination by design. Here's a system built for volume and uptime. The Eldan Super Chopper and Disc. Screening combo turns old tires, car, truck, and OTR into uniform shreds at up to 20 tons per hour. Clean wood pallets? The Starchel wood chipper says, bring them on. Whether powered by PTO, diesel, or three-phase electric, it chews through clean wood waste effortlessly. Ready for Frohling's TX2 05 kilowatt boiler. Supplied in the UK and clearly ready for any green operation. Imagine a factory floor where everything clicks. This full-scale recycling line processes aluminum, glass, copper, plastic, even tires, with seamless precision. It's not just recycling, it's industrial choreography. Now that's what industrial crushing power looks like. The Dopstat DW3060K tears through household waste and construction debris like it's nothing. With a 321 kilowatt engine and a 3-meter heat-treated shredder shaft, this machine means serious business. German engineering at its finest. Swapping blades on the GTS 1300? This video lays it out perfectly. From opening the rotor housing to torquing the bolts, every step's clear and doable, even if you're not a pro. Just don't forget the spark plug disconnect and blade clearance check. Safety and sharpness, both matter. Meet a dream duo for serious recycling. The DW2060K BP shredder and HS401 selector. With a 240 kilowatt Mercedes engine and smart screening system, this combo grinds and sorts waste wood and debris down to precise sizes. The result? Consistent output, less downtime. Coloring mulch? Vermeer HG6000 turns it into an art form. By soaking, rolling, mixing, and top dressing the mulch, it keeps mess off the belt and moisture out of the mill, so production stays high and the machine stays clean. Smart and efficient. Watch your step. Those boulders are headed down and fast. Perched on the slope, Massive rock grizzlies are doing the heavy lifting, sorting out oversized stones that aren't fit for the primary crusher just yet. Some of these giants get diverted for riprap, erosion control, or landscaping. But the real show begins when a massive chunk makes its way down the chute toward the jaw crusher. You can feel the ground tremble as gravity takes over and that stone meets steel. It's raw, unfiltered destruction powered by nothing more than weight, momentum, and perfectly timed engineering. Let's talk serious power. The RM1350 from Erdvik eats aluminum cast parts like popcorn. With 2 times 132 kilowatt torque and 2.5 meter shafts, each cut is clean and forceful. The independent shafts and auto reverse system make jams nearly impossible. German strength at its best. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. Old tires find new life in fire. This tire shredding system prepares rubber for use as TDF tire-derived fuel in cement kilns. With high calorific value and clean burn, tires replace coal efficiently. Recycling meets energy production. From circuit boards to tangled wires, the SSI Quad Q70 makes e-waste vanish. Its 4 shafts chew through the chaos of mixed scrap with surgical precision. This isn't just cleanup, it's the first step in smart recycling. Want to see high-tech recycling in action? Eldon's WEEE plant is a masterclass. From dismantling to separating metals and plastics, it handles electronic waste from start to finish. A clean, efficient solution for a global problem. Let's crack some engines. The JMC engine cracker turns motors and wheel units into separated metals ready for recycling. Built by JMC, who also makes shears, balers, and cable granulators, this compact crusher pulls apart engines like a pro, freeing aluminum, steel, and copper in seconds. A smart start for any scrapyard. Don't underestimate the little guy. The WS-15 shredder might look compact, but it pulverizes electronic scrap, plugs, wires, and thick circuit boards alike. Those layered boards are tough to chew, but the WS-15 barely flinches.
Oh. Oh!
Every time I see something like this, Dumb Ways to Die politely starts playing in my head. When the job calls for precision and power, land clearing crews reach for the FX24 stump grinder. Designed for mid-size excavators, it rotates 360 degrees and chews through hardwood like butter with 36 carbide teeth. Durable, nimble, and built to perform. This is the go-to tool for pro-level clearing. Versatility meets raw power in the VCR 1200. This tire shredder tackles more than rubber. It tears into scrap metal, plastics, cables, car bodies, and even hard drives. Whether it's inside a factory or out in the yard, Vainist's machines make material reduction fast and simple. Meet the rock-crushing beast, the 5,242 jaw crusher. With hydraulic force and reinforced steel jaws, it breaks massive boulders into manageable pieces, Designed for tough jobs in mining and recycling, it's made to last under pressure, literally. Is it just me, or do these shredders look way too excited to eat literally anything? Kinda cool, kinda creepy. What do you all think? Zinc die cast is no easy task, but for the M600/1-400, it's routine. With dual synchronized shafts and industrial blades, this shredder rips through rigid zinc parts without a hitch. Low ductility, high strength, doesn't matter. This beast eats metal for breakfast. At Lucchini RS, molten steel is forged into axles and wheels through fire, pressure, and precision. This is where raw material becomes a rolling masterpiece, heavy industry at its most elegant. The 3TEK Alpha 7400*250E is a powerful electric hammer mill shredder designed for high-volume metal recycling. With a 2,500 horsepower motor, 74-inch swing diameter, and 12 heavy-duty manganese hammers, it processes up to 50 tons of ferrous scrap per hour. Its efficient feed system and low operating cost make it a top choice for industrial shredding operations. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. The Vanced VDB-K800 takes on steel drums like they're cardboard. Hardened blades tear clean through thick steel in seconds. A safety reminder that could save a life. Never approach a shredder's chamber while it's running, or even plugged in. One careless moment near those spinning teeth can end in tragedy. Always use full PPE and stay alert. Here's wood shredding in its rawest form. This Tata pallet shredder rips apart thick wooden frames with brute strength, turning bulky loads into manageable splinters. Perfect for compacting, recycling, or just satisfying destruction. William Tracy's sorting plant is built for scale and speed. With Nyhot recycling tech, this 30-ton-per-hour line separates construction and commercial waste efficiently. Clean streams, sorted materials. This is modern waste management done right. Crushed, shredded, gone. If that didn't get your heart racing, nothing will. More mayhem, more metal, every week. Subscribe, buckle up, and join us for the next round of epic destruction.